Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to mark a friend as unfavorite in Discord Mobile. Whether you're cleaning up your chat list or just adjusting your favorites, this quick tutorial will help you do it in just a few taps. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your phone. If you're not already logged in, enter your account details and head right into the app's home screen. Once you're inside, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the messages icon. This is where all your direct messages with friends appear. Next, scroll through your messages and find the chat of the friend you'd like to mark as unfavorite. Tap on their chat to open your direct message conversation with them. Once inside the chat, look toward the top of the screen where you can see their name and profile picture. Tap on their name to open their profile. After the profile appears, pay attention to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. These dots open a small options menu that gives you several choices for managing your connection with that person. Go ahead and tap on the three dots. From the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Unfavorite. Tap it, and just like that, that friend will be removed from your favorites list. It's a simple way to tidy up your favorite contacts and keep your Discord organized, especially if you like keeping your top chats clear and relevant. And that's it. You've now successfully marked a friend as unfavorite in Discord Mobile.